Good day everyone, I'm Jasper Miranda and in this video I will show to you on how to take an infant's vital signs. So in assessing an infant's vital sign, we should follow the correct order. First, the respiration rate, heart rate, temperature, weight, length, head size, and chest size. So in taking an infant's vital signs, we should gather all the needed materials within the area. So thermometer, tape measure, stethoscope, and a weighing scale. So before taking an infant's vital sign, we should make sure that we will wash our hands. So first, we will go with the respiration rate. So in taking an infant's respiration rate, we will place our hand into the baby's chest. So the normal respiration rate of an infant is equals to 30 to 60 breathing per minute. So we will count the rise and fall of the chest. One rise, one fall is equals to one breathing. So we will place our hand and count the breathing per minute of an infant. So after a minute, record the breathing per minute of an infant. Next is the heart rate. So in taking an infant's heart rate, we should use a stethoscope. Since we don't have a stethoscope available, we will assume that I have a stethoscope. So we'll place a stethoscope in the chest of the baby and count the beats per minute. So the normal beats per minute of an infant is 100 to 190 beats per minute. So we'll place the stethoscope in the chest of the baby, and after a minute, we will record its breathing per minute. The third one is taking an infant's temperature. So we will be using a thermometer. So first, we will turn on the thermometer and place it in the armpit of the baby. The normal temperature of an infant is 97.5 to 99.3 Fahrenheit or 36.4 to 37.4 degrees Celsius. So if you can hear the sounds of beeping like this, so check the temperature of the baby and record it. So the next steps is we will take the infant's weight. So we will make sure that the infant is undressed and put it in a weighing scale. So since we don't have a weighing scale available here, so we will assume that this is a weighing scale. So record the baby's weight and compare the baby's current weight as of today and the last weight if there is an improvement.
Great.
So the next one is we will be taking an infant's length. So we'll put the baby in a flat surface and we will take its length. So we will mark its head and the feet of the baby. So we will be using a tape measure. So the normal baby's length is 18 to 22 inches. So we'll take the infant's length.
Tres.
Okay, the next steps is we will taking an infant's head size. So we will be using a tape measure. So we will measure the baby's head. So we'll place the tape measure in the head of the baby. So the normal head size is 33 to 38 centimeter. So we'll measure just like this. So after you take head size of the baby, Document it. So the last is we will taking an infant's chest size. So we'll be using a tape measure. So we'll put the tape measure in the chest of the baby. So the normal chest size should be 1 to 2 centimeter less than the head size. So we will use the nipple line as the guide. So after you taking an infant chest size, document and record it. Thank you.